Hey there, welcome to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading Kraken app on your device. First of all, go to the Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type Kraken and press the search button. In the search result, you should see official Kraken app. Tap on Kraken icon to open its page. Press the download or install button and wait for the app to download. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded the Kraken app on your device. To get started with Kraken, you can create the Kraken account with your email. Now you can explore the app's feature, access the cryptocurrency markets, and start trading or managing your crypto portfolio from your smartphone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video like this. See you in the next one.